Hello everyone and welcome back to another exclusive model from Agora model. That rhymed. Anyway, we have, you might have seen my Facebook pages that I am doing the Lepard tank brought to you by Agora models today. It came really good. It came with DPD, dynamic parcel distribution. So let's take a look in here and see what we got. So exciting. Because I've always wanted to do a tank. I used to want to do the Tiger tank from Hachette. Check out the screen here now. They did a tank many years ago, but I missed the boat on it because it's quite an old artwork. So when they're bringing this out, exclusive also, if you check the screen here, they are launching a fire engine and the return of the Route Master later this year. So yeah, oh my god, look at this, wow. Oh wow, yes, this is the thing, right? It's not until you get it in person that you really go, oh my god, this thing's huge. Okay, I'm sorry, but this is absolutely fantastic. So it looks like we've got the poster. Now obviously the instructions are PDF, so you won't get them in the box. They actually come online. So we'll take a look at that in a minute. And these are the parts itself. Just that camouflage colour really attracts my attention. But as you can see, these are the bits and pieces. The tank tracks, tank tracks, which have little pins that go in, and look at that, that's plastic. We've then got our next issue. I tell you what, this is by far my favourite partwork company because the sheer quality in this, you get so much more for your money and more parts. So as you can see, more other parts there, lots to do with that. And apparently you have to bang them in. I have got a hammer on standby on that. Then we've got the turrets, the gun turret, but as you can see, look at the quality on this. Look at the quality on this, right? That is all metal inside there, by the looks of it. Yeah, because it's got a silver part there. And then we get to this. Oh, wow. I am in shock right now. I cannot believe the size of this thing. When you see it online, it's nothing like you go, oh wow, but then when you get it, it's even more wow. So you've got the wow factor, but as you can see, really good. Then we've got this part here, which is the Lepard's, more of the plastic parts there. Now apparently this is metal, and I'll tell you what, this is very heavy. It's absolutely gorgeous. And as you can see here, we've got the next part of the tank. Now, the tank will be coming to my channel next week. It will be available on a Friday, round about, normally about 7 PM. But yeah, other than that, that is just the introduction. I'll see you next week for more of the tank. And when we get to build this thing, as you can see, the presentation in this, check out the website, www.agoramodels.com, and get this build. I mean, look at it. It's just amazing. I mean, look at the size of this. It's so good. So I hope you like that video. Please remember to like and subscribe. Just before we go, I did say that I was going to mention the poster. So as you can see, this is the poster itself. And as you can see, open it up, little fact file here. Considered one of the best main battle tanks in the world. Oh yeah. And then look at this beast. Look at that. Now, you can't get a better poster than that. If anyone knows where you can laminate this, because obviously this is not going to fit in an A3 laminator, do let me know, because I would love to laminate this thing. But you know what? This is absolutely gorgeous, and I really can't wait to crack into it. I mean, all these little, train tracks that we've got to put in. Why do I keep saying train tracks? I mean tank tracks. I suppose it resembles sort of like a train track to me, but as you can see, Agora models have done it again. This is the Lepard 286 tank from Agora, 1/16 scale. If you like what you see, head over to the website and get this model for yourself. It's $54.99 per month, or you can do for the 24-month option, or you can do £100 per month and get it for the 12 months option. The choice is yours. Hope you like that video. Please remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you very soon for the tank launching on my channel next week. Take care. Bye-bye.